This course is built custom for your department, so as we go through the modules together, know that each lesson is based on what your colleagues told us in the assessment about the actual work that you are doing. When you use AI for work, the output becomes part of your reputation. Every email or plan or document that it helps you create reflects back on you. People who are building the habit of writing clear, structured prompts are getting an edge in their careers. Their everyday work is standing out. So for example, I could say something like, focus only on improving the bracketed sections. Do not change anything outside the brackets. That way, I can take my original draft and bracket only the rough parts. So vague phrases or just like single words that I don't like and I want to refine, I would add brackets only around those. Then I run the prompt with that constraint in place so that it knows to edit just the rough spots and it leaves the rest of my paragraph exactly the way that I want it. So let's say that you uploaded 10 PDFs and spreadsheets into AI. The model tends to pay more attention to the ones at the very beginning or at the very end, but performance degrades on the ones that are stuck in the middle. In sales, the only limitation on what you can earn is your time. So imagine if you could clone yourself. And with a digital twin, now you can. Your AI twin can reach more prospects and it can personalize every conversation. So grab your login for HeyGen and let's go ahead and go in. So when we move up this maturity curve to analytic intelligence, that becomes the turning point because now that's where your data becomes strategy. There's about to be a movement from prompts to workflows that do jobs autonomously. Agentic AI, I want you to understand, is not some mysterious new thing. It's just a whole bunch of well-organized prompts. Everything that you've already learned chained together in a system. The next section that you want in your AI transformation playbook is a prioritization map. So this is a visual that gives your leadership team clarity on how you're going to prioritize these use cases. Now, the way that it works is that along the bottom, you have a level of effort scale. This is how much time and money and complexity it's going to take you to implement that. Along this side is your ROI. So we showed you last time how to calculate that savings, whether it's in dollars or hours. The goal is that you want to find your sweet spot, which is going to fall in that top right quadrant, high impact, low effort. So for the university, you can see how we took their chosen AI use cases, and we can see some of them, like the student early warning system. It offers immediate value and it's relatively easy to implement. That kind of marketing used to cost thousands and take hours to produce, but now I can give Nano Banana this simple photo of my product, this safety helmet taken with my iPhone, and then upload a separate photo of whatever environment I want it in. So here's my factory floor. And with a few words of instruction and a couple of clicks, I have this slick photorealistic image that I can use in my campaign. Now, writing in XML is pretty simple. You just wrap each section in a tag. So for example, around the context section, you would do an open angle bracket, context, close angle bracket.